Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today, we're diving into the most exciting leaks and rumors surrounding the highly anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro. Building upon the monumental success of its predecessor, the Mini 4 Pro, DJI seems poised to deliver groundbreaking features that could redefine what's possible in the ultra-lightweight drone category. So, what makes this upcoming release so thrilling? Let's explore every detail, from camera innovations to AI advancements, that could make the Mini 5 Pro a game-changer. Breaking boundaries in the sub-250G class. One of the hallmark features of DJI's Mini series is its commitment to the sub-250G weight class. This keeps the drones exempt from licensing requirements in many regions, making them highly accessible. The Mini 5 Pro aims to maintain this iconic feature while introducing substantial upgrades. Rumors suggest that DJI may unveil a redesigned lightweight battery that not only sustains the impressive 40-minute flight time, but potentially improves it. This innovative approach allows DJI to strike the perfect balance between portability and functionality. Revolutionary camera upgrades. The most talked-about upgrade is the Mini 5 Pro's camera system. Insiders speculate it will feature a 1-inch sensor, a significant step up from the Mini 4 Pro's smaller 1/1.3-inch sensor. While the resolution might remain at 4K, the larger sensor is expected to dramatically enhance low-light performance, dynamic range, and overall image quality. Imagine capturing breathtaking sunsets, vibrant cityscapes, or serene natural landscapes with unprecedented clarity and richness. This enhancement will undoubtedly appeal to photographers and content creators alike. AI-powered tracking, a leap forward. AI tracking capabilities are another area where the Mini 5 Pro could excel. Enhanced object recognition and tracking algorithms might allow the drone to follow fast-moving subjects with unparalleled precision. Whether it's a wildlife adventure or an extreme sports event, the Mini 5 Pro's ability to lock onto subjects and maintain focus could revolutionize action videography. This feature would free up filmmakers to concentrate on creativity, knowing their drone has the technical side covered. Connectivity like never before. Connectivity is set to be a standout feature for the Mini 5 Pro. With rumors of 5G integration, users could experience real-time communication with minimal latency. This would enable higher-resolution live feeds, smoother controls, and faster response times. A boon for professional drone operators and recreational users alike. Imagine piloting your drone with seamless navigation and enjoying lag-free, immersive aerial views. Safety first, advanced obstacle avoidance. Safety has always been a priority for DJI, and the Mini 5 Pro could raise the bar yet again. Leaks suggest it may include a 360-degree obstacle avoidance system. Utilizing a combination of visual, infrared, and ultrasonic sensors, this setup could provide unmatched safety in complex environments. From dense forests to bustling urban areas, the Mini 5 Pro would offer peace of mind to both beginners and seasoned pilots. Optimized battery life. Battery life is a critical factor for any drone enthusiast, and DJI is rumored to be refining this aspect as well. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to match or slightly exceed the 40-minute flight time of its predecessor. Advances in power efficiency and the rumored lightweight battery design could ensure users enjoy longer sessions of uninterrupted flying. This means more time to explore, capture, and execute intricate aerial maneuvers. LiDAR technology, a new frontier. One of the most exciting rumors is the inclusion of LiDAR technology in the Mini 5 Pro. LiDAR, or light detection and ranging, enables drones to map environments with incredible accuracy. This feature could revolutionize aerial photography and videography by improving depth perception and focus precision. From stunning 3D mapping to enhanced subject tracking, LiDAR could set the Mini 5 Pro apart from its competitors. Anticipated release and pricing. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is rumored to launch in late 2025, with an expected price range of $700 to $800. While this may seem steep, the enhancements, including a larger sensor, smarter AI tracking, and 5G connectivity, make it a worthy investment for both hobbyists and professionals. DJI's commitment to innovation ensures that this drone will appeal to a diverse audience, from beginners seeking user-friendly features to professionals demanding high performance in a compact design. Conclusion: a revolution in the making. As we await the official unveiling of the DJI Mini 5 Pro, the leaks and rumors paint an exciting picture. With groundbreaking camera improvements, advanced AI capabilities, and cutting-edge connectivity, this drone promises to elevate aerial photography and videography to new heights. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or a first-time user, the Mini 5 Pro could be the perfect blend of innovation and portability. Thank you for tuning in to technology in the future. If you're as excited about the DJI Mini 5 Pro as we are, share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest tech innovations. Stay tuned for more insights and deep dives into the future of technology.